Alright, so I got the wheels on. Wheels are on, flipped it upside down. This is what it should look like. Wheel side is down. So there you go. Now you would take your 18-inch piece, you put it on the inside right here, and it would look like that. Look like that right there. You want to go ahead and put 3 screws in the side. Grab another 18-inch piece. Put it right here, right? Put that there. You nail that to the side. Then you come over here. You grab one of your 7.5s. That goes right down in the middle, and then you would go down in the middle like this. So it should look like that, and then you would just nail that to the top. Stick 3 nails, 1, 2, 3, right? And you would do that all 3 sections. So the same thing I just did right here on this end, you would do that for the middle, and you do that for the far end. So that would be step 3, I guess, because you make the base, step 1. Step 2, you put the wheels on, and then you flip it over, and this would be step 3 right here. All right.